In this video, let me share a brand new functionality Microsoft has added into Copilot. The new functionality is a Copilot function, which is now available in the cloud version of Excel, so the cloud version of Office 365. This is how you use this functionality. So in this case, I have written various terms in column D, and then in column E, I have provided a formula. So I'm saying equal to Copilot. So that's the new function which is available, which you can now write in Excel and then call Copilot or interact with AI to get your responses. But you can then also pass the data in your Excel spreadsheet to Copilot to do something with that data. So in this case, my prompt, what I'm asking Copilot is to provide me with the most widely used definition of this term. And then I'm referring to D4, which has the term operational risk. So it has returned the definition of operational risk. I can then copy and paste this formula for the other terms. In this case, if I also want the definition of operational resilience, I can see the definition of operational resilience, and I can also see the widely used definition of emerging risk according to Copilot. So this now brings AI directly into the spreadsheet where you may be doing your risk and compliance analysis. Another simple example to use this functionality is in this sheet where I have a risk in column B, and then I have various columns. So I have causes, financial impacts, preventative controls, detective controls, corrective controls, and KRIs. But all of these are formulas. So you can see here, this is the Copilot formula, which says, imagine you're an expert in operational risk management within financial services industry. Review the details of this risk, where I'm pointing to B2, which is where the title of the risk is. And then I'm asking Copilot to provide me with a list of 3 to 5 key causes that can increase the likelihood of this risk-related event occurring. And then I'm asking for provide 10 to 15 words for each cause and list them in one text string in bullet point format. So when I submit that formula, I get a few causes which are related to this risk. And then I have the same formula for financial impacts, but I change my prompt. So I have to change my question. I'm asking Copilot, but it's referring to that same risk. And then I'm asking for preventative controls. I'm asking for detective controls, corrective controls, and then I'm also asking for recommendation on KRIs. So this is a good way to brainstorm with AI, that if you're looking at a new risk and you want to quickly brainstorm with AI about the different aspects of the risk so that you can fully understand the risk, now you can have that directly in your Excel spreadsheet. So just to show how this works from scratch, if I go and type in a new risk, so let's say I will say damage to data center due to fire-related accident. So if I put that as the new risk, and then I'll just copy the formula from the previous rows. And now you will see that when it says busy, that means Copilot is thinking, the question has been submitted. And then once the response comes back, then you are able to quickly see the causes of this risk I entered, the financial impacts, the preventative, detective, and the corrective controls, and also examples of KRIs. Okay, and this is sort of the future of AI, where we will see AI being available in whatever functionality we are using on the day-to-day basis. Because in the past, if you were doing something in Excel, you had to go in the AI tool, do the work, and then do a copy and paste back into your Excel spreadsheet. But now with this functionality, it's another step closer, that if you're doing a lot of your risk and compliance analysis in Excel, then now you have the Copilot functionality available directly there. Okay. If you want to learn more about this functionality and all the other great functionalities available in Copilot for risk and compliance purposes, then please come and join the RiskSpotlight course. This is the world's first Microsoft Copilot course we've created for risk and compliance professionals. The next course is happening on 10th and 11th December from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. UK time. If you're not able to attend live on that day, you can still register for the course and you will get the recording. So you can then watch the recording as and when you get chance and time to practice the examples. And here are some of the logistical details. So the fee is £450. It'll be done through Microsoft Teams. And then you will get all the slide content. You will get the prompts. So you can then go and start applying those concepts directly into your day-to-day risk and compliance activities. Okay. Go to riskspotlight.com/copilot and you can find more details about this course and also register from there. And remember, if you can't attend live, you can still register and get the recorded version of the training. Okay, great. See you in the next video.